everyone, welcome to our Ultimate Reset group. I wanted to welcome you guys and talk to you a little bit about this program and nutrition guide. Before we dive into that, I mentioned this schedule guide. You guys, you want to keep this handy throughout your 21 days. It has the schedule for every day. So it's perfect for on the go when life gets busy. To have this little guide to help will be huge. Okay, so our program and nutrition guide. Pages 6 through 11 talk about the 6 supplements that you received in your box. Now, they explain what's in the supplements, why they are used, and how to use them. We will talk about them a little bit more this weekend before we get started, but just keep in mind that if you're curious about anything, you can reference those pages in your guide. The next section talks about frequently asked questions and how the reset works into everyday life. For example, sleep, exercise, eating, emotions, and I wanted you to reference those pages. You can read them back, but the one thing I wanted to touch on was exercise. So if you're used to intense exercise, right now is the time to dial it back. It's fine to take a brisk walk. It's encouraged, actually. It's fine to take a light swim. It's great to do restorative yoga, but anything that's really intense where you're building muscle is going to be counterproductive to this program. So you're gonna wanna take a step back from that during these 3 weeks, and then you can just hit it hard again when these 3 weeks are over with. So after that is the This Is Me Now section, and this is important, you guys. You want to fill this out. This is on page 32. It's meant to be filled out before you start and then on day 21 or 22 when you're done with the program. This is going to give you a really great insight into how your body reacted to this program, the changes that you've seen, the changes that have been made. Now, this is my favorite part. This is because there is no guesswork in this program. Beginning on page 36, every single day of the 3 phases is spelled out for you. Your menu has been prepared. This is awesome. I mean, I'm particularly looking forward to this as a busy mom because I'm still going to be running a household. I'm still going to be working. But when it comes to my reset, I'm going to know exactly what I'm doing every day. And I think it's also pretty awesome that they have what's called the Reset in a Crunch section, which that would allow me, who's having a busy manic Monday, to make some adjustments to what they have suggested if I'm running short on time. But the cool thing is the menu's all set out for you, and then on page 77 through the end of the guide are all the recipes. It really does take the guesswork out of this program and ensures that you are going to get great results. The other thing at the back of this book are shopping lists. You can literally tear them out of your book, take them with you to the food store. I'm so excited about this. I'm always writing food lists to when we go to the food store, but this is literally handed to you, and you know you're not going to miss anything because it's already been prepared for you. So you guys, this program and nutrition guide is going to be a reference source for you over the next 21 days, and I'm sure beyond, because what I understand about these recipes are that they are delicious, that when people make them, they repeat them time and again after their program. Oh, and that is one other thing. This guide does talk to you about coming off the reset. So how to handle different foods after the reset, how to reintroduce them into your diet. It's incredibly comprehensive. It will probably answer every question that you have, but of course, if you have other questions, share them with your coach, share them in the group so that we can help you and make sure that we all have a really successful 3 weeks. All right, talk soon.